Hi, what's up YouTube? My name is Mayo. I'm a photographer based in Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to another episode on photography with Mayo. In this episode, we're talking about the great secret behind reflector and diffuser, which many photographers don't know. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Welcome back and let's get started. Direct sunlight can be super unflattering and create a ugly shadow on your subject. Have a solution for that. Reflector. Before I continue, I would like to define a reflector and a diffuser in my own way. So what is a reflector? A reflector is a reflective surface that bounces light back to the subject. A diffuser is a tool that is used to soften the light, remove glare and harsh light on your subject. So let me show you how it looks like. This is the reflector. Reflector is used to capture the light from the sun like this and bounce it back to the subject. The closer you get to the subject, the more light you allow in to your subject, like this, then like this, like this, then like this. It might get a little bit lightly, but that just makes it you are doing it right. So you can even move your glass. You see what I'm talking about? It's getting a little bit lightly. That just makes it we are doing it very right. Okay, so without reflector and with reflector, you see the very big difference. It's actually feeling the shadow on this side. On this side, you feel the shadow on this side. So see without light, reflector. Without reflector. And you had to tint and bend your reflector so that your subject will be properly lighting. As you can see, I'm tinting my reflector and my subject is getting lighting. The reflector also have a good part. The good part of the reflector is so you had to change it to a good part like this. We have a good part of the reflector. So, I actually use this good part because it had one to skin. I don't actually use it, but I'll show you. Let you know how it is, how it moves. You see the good part of reflector. So actually having a very warm tone to the skin. See. With the reflector and without the reflector. So we have a diffuser. This is actually what is called a diffuser. This is a diffuser. This is what is actually called a diffuser. See, it diffuses light, and it must be both between the sun and the subject. This is it. See, it must be both between the sun and the subject. This is how it feels. Without the diffuser, it's become a light source itself, taking the light from the sun and spreading it across the subject like this. Taking the light from the sun and spreading it across the subject like this. You see? So it becomes a big flashing light to the subject. So the closer you move or the farther you move changes the quality of the picture. Like if you move closer, you see, and you move farther like this, so it changes the quality of the picture. So in a nutshell, diffuser is used to soften the light, while reflector is used to bounce light back to the subject. I want to know you guys' opinion on this video. Make sure you drop your opinion in the comment section below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like my content.
subscribe and share to your friends. A lot of people might need it out there. So thanks for dropping by. Until next time, remember to stay motivated, stay inspired, and never stop creating. Peace.